In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and publish an app with Firebase Studio. First, open the Firebase Studio website and sign in with your Google account. The entire IDE runs in the browser, so there's nothing to install. A modern, up-to-date browser is all you need. If you're switching devices, your work will stay synced to your account, which makes it easy to pick up where you left off. Next, create a new project. You have 3 flexible starting points. If you want to move fast from an idea, choose Prototype with AI. Type a clear, plain English description of your app, what it should do, who it's for, and any key screens. Firebase Studio will generate an app blueprint and starter code you can immediately refine. If you prefer a head start with a known stack, pick. Start with a template and choose a framework such as Next.js, Flutter, or Python. Templates come with sensible defaults, so you spend less time wiring things up. Finally, if you already have code, choose Import an existing project and connect a repository from GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Select the branch you want to work with, and Firebase Studio will pull it into the workspace. With your project open, you'll see a familiar coding environment based on code OSS, plus the Gemini and Firebase Assistant. Use the chat panel to ask for changes in natural language. You can request UI tweaks, new features, bug fixes, or explanations of unfamiliar code. When you're ready to integrate backend features, open the Firebase Studio panel to add services like Cloud Firestore for your database or authentication for sign-in. The panel guides you through setup so you can focus on your app logic while the assistant helps with code snippets and integration details. When you have a working version, test it. Click Preview to open your app in a new browser tab. For mobile testing, scan the generated QR code on your device. Interact with every critical flow, navigation, forms, authentication, and any database reads and writes, and watch the console for errors so you can iterate quickly. When everything looks good, it's time to publish. Click the Publish button. Firebase Studio will create a Firebase project behind the scenes and prompt you to link a cloud billing account, and if you choose Firebase App Hosting, which is required for full-stack apps. Select your deployment option, Firebase App Hosting for dynamic server-rendered apps, or Firebase Hosting for static content. Click Publish Now. Firebase Studio will build your app, configure the CDN, and set up server-side rendering as needed. When deployment completes, your production URL will be ready to share.